Today's topic is how to effectively manage coughs in goat farming.
Yeah.
When your goat starts coughing, don't rush to treat blindly. First, check the pen. Poor ventilation, dust, urine smell, damp bedding, and overcrowding can cause serious respiratory problems. Second, check the feed. Moldy hay, dusty concentrate, and dirty water can irritate the lungs. Third, isolate the coughing goat and observe appetite, breathing, temperature, nasal discharge, and weakness. If the cough continues or breathing becomes difficult, call a vet quickly. In goat farming, you don't only treat cough, you remove what caused it. For serious cough, a vet may recommend synthetic treatment such as antibiotics, anti-inflammatory support, or deworming, depending on the cause. For mild support, farmers may use ginger, garlic, scent leaf, moringa, and clean warm water. But remember, medicine alone is not enough. Remove the cause, or the cough will return. For the synthetic side, vet-guided treatment matters because goat cough may come from bacterial pneumonia, viral disease, parasites, or poor housing. Bacterial cases often require proper antimicrobial treatment plus supportive care. Comment value if this makes sense. For more teachings, follow me here and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get copies of my books from the link below. I love you, my people.